This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Steve Zilberer. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home has just been updated and is ready to move into. Beautiful original hardwood floors and woodwork, tall ceilings, and great covered front porch are some of the special features of this affordable home close to MDH and schools. The main level has a large living room with lots of windows, open stairway to the primary bedroom suite with large dressing room and 3/4 bath. The main level has 2 other bedrooms with hardwood floors, kitchen updated with new countertops, full bath, and laundry room. All this updated with new interior paint and beautiful lighting. For more information, review the details below.